Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. The S&P 500 down 0.8%, the Dow falling marginally about 0.1%, 39 points. The NASDAQ 100 dropping nearly 1.5%, and the Russell 2000 was the worst performer, down nearly 2%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower. Utilities and consumer staples were the only positive sectors. To the downside, energy dropped over 2%, while consumer discretionary and tech each fell about 1.5%. Let's now look at some more stocks on the move. Advance Auto Parts extending a decline, plunging 15% on a downgrade at UBS to neutral from buy, and a price target cut to $182 from $230 a share. Wells Fargo and Wedbush also cut their price targets on the stock. And this comes after that earnings miss during Tuesday's extended trading session. Advance Auto Parts also issued a weak full-year earnings forecast. Target closed 13% lower on its earnings. And while revenue of $26.5 billion beat expectations, earnings per share was $1.54, well below the $2.14 estimate. Profit also fell by 50%. Target also warned of a weak holiday season. Lowe's closed up 3% on better than expected earnings results. Now, earnings were higher, revenues increased, but trading activity during the session was less strong, likely because Lowe's lowered the top end of its full year guidance. Meantime, Lowe's says earnings were driven by 19% growth in the professional segment. The company also saw strength in do-it-yourself sales, and website sales grew 12%. There were also post-market earnings from Cisco and Nvidia. Cisco earnings per share came in at 86 cents, more than that 84 cents estimate. Revenue was also higher than expected at $13.6 billion versus the $13.32 billion estimate. The stock closed down 1%, around $44, but traded above $46 in the post-market. Nvidia saw earnings per share lower than the estimate. They were 58 cents versus 70 cents expectations, and revenue beat expectations at $5.93 billion. Revenue growth took a 17% hit, however. The stock closed 4% lower, but like Cisco, it was higher in post-market trading. We've got a busy day tomorrow in markets with the Philly Fed, jobless claims, and housing starts and permits being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. There are also several Fed speakers throughout the day. And on the earnings front, Alibaba, Macy's, Kohl's, Gap, and Applied Materials are set to report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TD Ameritrade Network.com.